Good morning, class. My name is Shauna Burley, the music teacher here at Silverline Montessori. Welcome to the online music class. And so today we're going to talk about musical math, counting, the number of beats. Again, so here we have a quarter note, and a quarter note is going to get, again, one beat. Here you have a half note. Half note will get 2 beats. Here we have a whole note, and a whole note will get 4 beats. Here you have a quarter rest, which is a silent beat. You rest. You do not play on that note, but it gets 1 beat, but it's 1 silent beat. Here we have an eighth note. It is an eighth note. It gets 1/2 of a beat. Here we have a whole rest. A whole rest gets 4 silent beats. Here we have a half rest. Half rest gets 2 silent beats. And so now we're going to do what is called musical math. Just like adding, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So, except we're going to add our notes. So here we have a half note plus a half note. If you have 2 half notes, we know that the half note is going to get 2 beats, right? So 2 plus 2 is going to be 4. So your answer is 4. So here you have a quarter note plus a half note. So 1 plus 2 is going to be 3. If you said 3, you are correct. Here we have a whole note plus another whole note. If a whole note and a whole note gets 4, right? So 4 plus 4 would equal 8. So here you have a quarter note plus a quarter note. A quarter note gets 1 beat, so 1 plus 1 is going to equal 2. Number 5, you have an eighth note. An eighth note is half of a beat, 1 and a half note gets 2, so that is going to equal 1 and 2, 3. Number 6, you have 2 eighth notes. 2 eighth notes plus another eighth note is going to equal 2 because it's 1 and 2 and. Here, number 7, a quarter note plus a half note plus a whole note is going to equal 7 because we know a whole note gets 4, half note gets 2, quarter note gets 1. You add all of those together and you will get 7. Number 8, a quarter note plus a quarter note plus an eighth note. And so it's quarter note gets 1, so that's 1, another 1, that's 1, 2, and then that's 3, so it's 3 beats. It equals 3. Number 9, a whole note plus a half note plus a half note is going to equal 8. We're going to go back. A whole note gives 4, half note 2, and another half note. So 4 plus 2 equals 8. Number 10, a quarter rest is a silent beat. We don't play on the rest, but it's a silent beat. We count it, though. It's 1 plus another 1, then a half note gets 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals 4. Number 11. Here you have another quarter rest. Then that gets 1 silent beat plus another quarter rest. It gets 1 silent beat. And then a whole rest gets, so we have 1 plus 1 plus 2. And so that's going to equal 4. A half rest, I mean. All right, the last one, number 12. We have a half rest plus a whole rest. So 2 plus 4 is going to be 6. And that concludes our musical math. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Have a great day.